Hey everyone, if you're looking to start a website or switch to a better host, I've got an exclusive Hostgator coupon code that gets you up to 76% off, with plans starting as low as $2.99 a month and a free domain name included. To get your Hostgator discount, just click the link in the description below to be taken to Hostgator, where you'll get an exclusive Hostgator discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostgator discount. Let's dive in. Hostgator has been around for over 2 decades and is known for reliable uptime, fast servers, and 24/7 customer support. Whether you're launching a blog, online store, or website, Hostgator has flexible plans for all kinds of websites. When you use the exclusive link in the description, you'll unlock hosting for just $2.99 a month. That's up to 76% off regular prices. And yes, you get a free domain name with your plan too. No need to hunt for promo codes, the link automatically applies the biggest savings. The hatching plan comes with 10 websites, 10 GB SSD storage, ideal for 40,000 visits per month, includes a free domain and a free SSL certificate, perfect if you're just starting out. The baby plan comes with 20 websites, 20 GB SSD storage, ideal for 50,000 visits per month. This plan also includes everything in the hatching plan. The business plan comes with all the baby plan features, plus 50 websites, 50 GB SSD storage, ideal for 200,000 website visits per month, free dedicated IP, malware detection and removal, and domain privacy is free for the first year. The Pro plan comes with premium resources and enhanced performance, ideal for websites expecting higher traffic or running advanced applications. The plan comes with 100 websites, 100 GB SSD storage, ideal for 400,000 visits per month. This plan also includes all the features in the business plan. Whether you're just starting or need advanced features, there's a plan that fits your needs. And with my discount, you'll save a ton. To grab this deal, just click the link below, choose your plan, and you'll see the discounted pricing applied automatically. No code needed. It's all baked into the link. If you've been thinking about launching a website, this is your sign. Grab Hostgator hosting for just $2.99 a month, plus get your free domain. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more hosting deals and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.